Hey folks, welcome back. If you've ever tried typing a full email or editing a video script on your iPad using the on-screen keyboard, you know the pain. So we went all in and tested 6 of the most talked about iPad keyboards of 2025 across different price points, use cases, and iPad models. We didn't just unbox them, we use them daily for writing, editing, multitasking, and even a bit of gaming. Let's break down what's actually worth your money. ESR Rebound Magnetic Keyboard Case 360. This one was a surprise hit. ESR's Rebound 360 is way more versatile than we expected. You get a detachable magnetic case, full trackpad support, and multiple viewing angles that actually stay put. We used it for script revisions, thumbnail design, and even some light gaming, and it held up beautifully. The keys feel solid, and the trackpad is responsive enough for real work. If you want flexibility without dropping Apple-level cash, this one's a no-brainer. Check the description for links and deals. This one punches way above its price tag. Alright, starting with the big one, the Magic Keyboard for the new Enium 4 iPad Pro. This thing is sleek, premium, and honestly feels like it was designed for people who live inside their iPad. The haptic glass trackpad is ridiculously smooth, and the keys, tactile, responsive, and super quiet. We used it for editing scripts in Final Cut Pro and bouncing between tabs in Safari. It never lagged, never missed a beat. The floating design still looks futuristic, and the build quality is top tier. It's expensive, no doubt. But if you've already invested in the M4 iPad Pro, this keyboard completes the setup. Hit the description for product links and the best price we could find. It's a beast. If you're rocking an older iPad and want that laptop vibe, the Combo Touch is your best friend. It connects via Smart Connector, so no charging, no Bluetooth pairing, just plug and go. The trackpad is surprisingly good. The keys are backlit, and the kickstand is sturdy enough for lap use. We used it for writing analytics breakdowns, replying to comments, and even editing thumbnails. It's the closest thing to a laptop for under a few dollars. Tap the description for the latest price. We found some solid deals on this one. Now for the minimalists, the Omoton. Bluetooth keyboard is compact, lightweight, and surprisingly comfortable for long typing sessions. We paired it with multiple iPads and even a phone. It just works. Great for travel, casual writing, or tossing in your tech pouch. It runs on AAA batteries, and after 2 weeks of testing, we still haven't had to swap them. If you want something simple, reliable, and portable, this is it. Check the description for the best price. This is the sleeper hit of the roundup. For iPad Air users, the Folio Touch is a productivity powerhouse. You get a full trackpad, backlit keys, smart connector support, and a built-in pencil holder. We used it for multitasking, switching between script writing, video editing, and Zoom calls, and it handled everything like a champ. The kickstand adjusts smoothly, and the typing feel is top tier. If you're serious about turning your iPad Air into a workhorse, this is the one to get. Hit the description for product links and best prices. This one's built for real work. So there you have it, 5 iPad keyboards we actually tested, and each one brings something unique to the table. Whether you're upgrading your workspace or building a mobile editing rig, these picks are worth checking out. Smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews. See you in the next one.